Hello everyone, my name is Sangeeta Khadse. I am from Government Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanity of Amravati. Today's webinar I will present my poster presentation. My poster presentation topic is analysis of retrieved hemagglutinin gene sequence information of canine distemper virus, that is CDV. Come to the first chapter, that is the introduction. What is CDV? CDV is the canine distemper virus. It is the viral disease as affects some commonly found canines like domestics and wild species such as dogs, quads, foxes, pandas, wolves, ferrets, including the big kids, and many other species. This virus recently outbreak of CDV in critically endangered Asiatic lion of Gir research in Gujarat. India possesses the serious threat to survival of the species. Thus, the monitoring of this CDV using ever-growing viral sequence information become extremely very urgent. This CDV virus is belonging to the family Paramoxoviridae and to the genus is Morbivirus. Now come to the second chapter, that is material and method. My research works is done in bioinformatic work. Bioinformatic is the branch of science which deals with the application of computer programming and statistics. We analyze the molecular biological data comes in under DNA, RNA and protein sequences. Gene bank. Gene bank is the sequence data submitted in gene bank individual scientists from around the world. In this gene bank having the gene sequences around the world of different types of the organism. In the cluster it is the software which is using the multiple sequence alignment. We using the BEAST. BEAST is the Bayesian evolutionary analysis of sampling the tree. In this, the BEAST is the cross platform of program for the molecular sequences. Now come to the phylogenetic analysis. The phylogenetic tree are the most convenient way of visually presenting evolutionary relationship among the group of the organism. The Bayesian phylogenetic inference is the Bayesian is also the software which is using the to make a phylogenetic tree. Uses the likelihood function. Phylogenetic analysis uses Bayes the theorem. Now come to the third chapter, that is the result and the discussion. This is the window of the NCBI which is go to the list sequence wise to the submitting the data. Now come to the point of the result and the discussion. In this the data we got, the output of this research work is the Bayesian maximum clad credibility NCC, that is the software which is using for the sequences of hemagglutinin gene to a relationship between the evolutionary among the group of all organisms which is using in this work. The evolutionary Bayesian maximum clad credibility tree based on the 102 hemagglutinin gene sequence of canine distemper virus strain from 18 different countries with the significant posterior probability at each other node of the phylogenetic tree. The outcome, this is the phylogenetic tree, that is the evolutionary relationship among the group of the organism of CDV sequences of the gene. Now the come to the conclusion. The currently study was attempted to revisit the phylogeny of the CDV from India and other 14 countries using the H gene sequences deposited in the gene bank. These are my references, and thank you so much.